Yes, friends. Today I am taking what are the Karnas, the fourth part of the Panchang or Indian Almanac. What is Indian Almanac? As I told you, this is timetable, or you may table, or you may say the timetable, or you may say the book of timetable or Indian Almanac, in which the local astrologers or rural astrologers who are found in the countryside, or even the people who are living in the city areas or urban areas, they are also using this Panchang. Panchang is having 5 organs, mainly 5 organs of this. I mean, there are 5 organs about which I am talking about already. That Indian Almanac has 5 organs, which is known as Panchang. Panch means 5, and Ang means the organs. Okay, so there are 5 organs of Panchang, and out of which I have already discussed about 3, right? 3: Nakshatra, Tithi, and Yogas. Okay, first I talked about Nakshatra, then Tithi, then Yoga, and now 4th is Karna, and 5th I'll take Vars or days, right? So the 4th one is Karna, Karn or Karna. In English it is known as Karna, or in Sanskrit or in Hindi it is known as Karn, right? Tithi, Var, Nakshatra, Yoga, and Karn. Karn was the 5th part, but I am taking at the 4th stage. Why 4th stage? Because it is important one, and some having some difficulty at the time when people are considering this, right? When how they are counted, how they are recognized, what is the table for that, and how the people have to know that which particular Karn is running at the moment. It's very interesting topic. Okay, let me first discuss that. What are the Karna? Basically, a Karn is a half part of a Tithi. Tithi, as we know about, there are 15 Tithis of bright half and 15 Tithis of dark half. Total 30 Tithis were there. So this I'll talk about it, how this is the half of a Tithi. Half of a Tithi means the lunar days, half of a lunar day, half of a lunar date, right? So Tithi. So half of a Tithi or half of a Tithi is known as Karna. Okay, so Karna is just half of a Tithi. So if there are 30 Tithis, 15 of bright half and 15 of dark half, there are total 30 Tithis in a lunar month, right? There are lunar dates, 30 lunar dates, which we consider as, or which we talk about as Tithis. Out of those Tithis, each Tithi is having 2 Karnas. There are total 60 Karnas. But those 60 Karnas, how they are counted? Total Karna, the names of the Karnas are only 11. So how those 11 Karnas are distributed among the 30 Tithis, right, is very interesting to note down. And only then a person can understand that which particular Karna is prevailing at the moment. Okay, any Karna which is prevailing at a particular moment when we are calculating a particular Karna, okay, at a particular time, or particular day or minute or second, whatever. Okay, so at that moment when you are going to calculate that which Karna is prevailing, is running at the moment, then how to count that is very fixed method. Okay, our method is very unique, very distinct method. One can understand very easily. But first is that which Karna is, there are 2 parts of a Tithi. Okay, first half, second half. As I did tell you, that one Tithi is usually of 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours is considered is of one Tithi, right? From one sunrise to second sun or next sunrise, this is one Tithi. Sometimes the Tithi may be of lesser than that time, 23 hours, mostly 23 hours, some minutes. Okay, that I talked about. One Tithi is about average 24 hours, but it's less than 24 hours, right? And similarly, so one Karna is of 12 hours. Mostly average is 12 hours. It may be less than 12 hours, but average we can take 12 hours. Okay, so just consider that one Karna is, or one Karna is of 12 hours. Okay, how do we calculate it? How we have to calculate this? Let me talk about this. I'll just talk about, okay, or I'll talk about that. And what are the Karna? Those 60 Karnas, how they are counted? What are the basic 11 Karnas are there? There are basic 11 Karnas. Names of 11 Karnas are there. out of which first 7, 1 to 7 are sorry, are of movable nature. They are movable nature, or they are of movable nature, right? And the last 4 are of fixed nature. Okay, so there are two types of, basically 2 types of Karnas: movable type of Karnas and fixed nature type of Karnas. So fixed nature, and the first is movable nature, right? So which are those 7 Karnas of movable nature, and the last 4 are of fixed nature. So first let me clarify these, or let me cite the names of these 11 Karnas, out of which first 7 are of movable nature, right? And the last 4 are of fixed nature. Those, out of those 11 Karnas, right, how we have to put those Karnas in Tithis, okay? Every Tithi, or half of a Tithi, half of a Tithi. There are 2 parts of a Tithi: first half, second half. First half, second half. Of 15 Tithis, which are of bright half. Okay, so 2 halves of first 15 Tithis of bright half. There are total 30 Karnas, okay, of 15 Tithis. And the last second half, which is of dark half, from 16th Tithi to 30th Tithi. 30th Tithi is Amavasya Murti, or new moon time. Okay, full moon time is Purnima or Purnimasi at 15th Tithi, which is known as Purnimasi or full moon time, right? So that 15 Tithis, which are of bright half, and last 15 Tithis of dark half. Total 30 Tithis are there. First 15 and second 15, right? So, but I have taken here counting from 1 to 30, right? 1 to 15, then 16 to 30. But 16, 17, 18, 19 up to 30, these are of, from 16 onwards up to 30, they are of dark half. So 15 Tithis of dark half and 15 Tithis of bright half. So thus there are 30 Tithis total. Out of these 30 Tithis, there are 2 Karnas in each Tithi. So total 60 Karnas are there. Total counting of Karnas are 60. But how they are put in cyclic order. What is cyclic order of these Karnas? First, or first Tithi of Shukla or bright half, Pratipada. This is Pratipada of first Shukla Paksh, or that bright half. So first Tithi of bright half. First Tithi, this first Tithi I have written down here, Karnas. Okay, let me first talk about how to calculate a Karna. So Karna is, as I did tell you, that how a Tithi is calculated. Tithi is calculated by subtracting longitude of sun from longitude of moon divided by 12 in case of a Tithi. So in case of a Karna, difference of longitude of moon and longitude of sun, okay, or longitude of moon minus longitude of sun divided by 6 will give us the Karnas, each Karnas. So there are 60 Karnas in this way. Okay, so when moon takes over 6 degree, okay, above sun's longitude. So when moon takes over, or is ahead of sun's longitude by 6 degree, then 1 Tithi is gone, or 1 Tithi is just gone or has passed. So moon has passed for 1 Tithi 6 degrees, okay, or moon is 60 degree ahead of sun's longitude, then first Tithi is passed. Second Tithi up to 12 degree, okay, so 6 degree, 6 degree, 6 degree. In this way, moon is when going ahead of sun's longitude by 6 degree, 6 degree, 6 degree. In this way, Karnas are framed. Okay, so first let me talk about what is Karna's value. So Karna is equal to longitude of moon minus longitude of sun divided by 6 degree. This will give us a number of Karna which is prevailing at a particular moment. Okay, if this Karna is coming by the name, so there are total 60 Karnas in this way. Which Karna will be there? Now how do we calculate that Karna? So first we write the first half of a bright half, okay, or bright, or let's say the Pratipada of Shukla Paksh. the first प्रतिपदा of शुक्ल पक्ष, right? फर्स्ट तिथि में से the first तिथि of शुक्ल पक्ष और प्रतिपदा, first शुक्ल पक्ष प्रतिपदा, that means first तिथि of bright half. So first tithi of bright half is divided into two parts. First part I have written down here, first half of a tithi. First half of tithi, this is bright half, this is dark half. So bright half and dark half are divided the total 30 tithis into two parts. First bright half, second is dark half. First bright half is divided into 15 tithis, but those 15 tithis, each tithi is having two karnas. First half, second half of tithi. So the two half of a particular tithi is representing two karnas. So first karna, second karna, like this. Okay, so we will write here, but this karna is started from the 11th karna. The names are just cited here. I have written down the names of the karnas. The 11 karnas are there, out of which first 7 karnas are of movable nature and last 4 karnas are of fixed nature. So out of these 11 karnas, how do we distribute them into these tithis? Okay. So first, let me write down here. So as I have just told you that there are 30 tithis, and out of those 30 tithis, each tithi is having two karnas of first half of a tithi, second half of tithi. So two karnas are there. In this way, there are 60 karnas. So 60 karnas in a month, in a lunar month, will be there. But how these karnas will prevail out of these 11 karnas only? These 11 karnas are going to repeat sometimes. Only the fixed nature of karnas, the last 4 karnas, they are not going to repeat. But first 7, they are of movable nature. Why they are of movable nature? Because they are repeating. They are repeating. 8 times they are repeating. So each karna of movable nature is coming 8 times in a month. How 8 times? First, we start from the last 11th tithi. 11th tithi, sorry, 11th karna, I'm sorry, not 11th tithi, but 11th karna, which is Kintugna. Let me first cite the names of the karnas. There are 11 karnas. First 7 are of movable nature, and second 4, second half, or you may say the second part of this, which are of fixed nature. The 4 last karnas from 8 to 11 are of fixed nature. What are these karnas? Let me first write the names of these. So first karna is known as Bhav, second is Valav, third is Kaulav, Bhav, Balav, Kaulav, fourth is Taitil, Taitil, fifth is Gar, sixth is Vanish or Vanish. We call it as, in Sanskrit it is known as Vanish or Vanish. We may say Vanish or Vanish we may say Vanish. Seventh is Vishti. Vishti karna is very important. Just note down this 7th karna, which is of movable nature, is of very important nature. I'll talk about this, very important one. This is Vishti karna, which is 7th karna of movable nature, is very important one, because this is used for election of time for muhurta purposes. Okay, whether this is auspicious, whether it is inauspicious, I'll talk about this very important karna. 7th karna is very important, which is known as Vishti karna. Vishti, 7th is Vishti karna. This Vishti karna of movable nature, 7th one, is very important one. Please note down this. This is very important, because whenever we elect a particular movement for certain auspicious thing or inauspicious thing, we have to check whether this karna is Vishti nature, of Vishti karna is prevailing at that moment or not prevailing. This is very important karna, which is known as Vishti karna, is very important. Now these 7 karnas, first 7 karnas, which are of movable nature, they are repeated here. They are coming 8 times in. Out of these 60 karnas, 8 times these 7 karnas are coming. So 8 7 56. There are 56 karnas of these out of these 7 type. I mean 7 karnas are repeated 8 times. So 8 7 are 56. So 56 karnas are of movable nature. The last 4 karnas which are of fixed nature, they are coming only once in a month. In a month, in a lunar month or in a tithi, I mean in a lunar month, 30 tithis. Out of those 30 tithis, only these fixed nature of karnas, or these 4 fixed nature karnas are coming only once. They are fixed. They are coming only once. How they are coming? How they are counted? So first tithi, okay, of Shukla Paksha or of bright half, the first part of a tithi which will have the karna, the first karna starts from Kintugna, the 11th karna which is of Kintugna name. Okay, now let me read the names of the last 4 of fixed nature type of karnas. Fixed nature type of karnas are from 8th karna. 8th karna is Shakuni of Pandava, okay, of Mahabharata time, Shakuni. So the name of that Shakuni is also repeated here. Shakuni, the name is Shakuni, right? 8th one is Shakuni Karna. Okay, 9th is Chatushpada. Chatushpada means having 4 feet animal type nature of this karna is Chatushpada. What the use of this? We will talk about it, how this kind of, I mean this fixed type of this nature of karna is used for which purposes? For serving of cows, for donating of cows, 4-footed animals. Whenever the things related to the 4-footed animals or the animals or anything which is of of a animal type, right? Of 4-footed animal type. 4-footed animals means like cows, worshipping of cow, donating of a cow. At that moment, if this Chatuspada karna is prevailing, that will be very auspicious thing, right? So this is used for just worshipping of cows, donating of cow, or anything related to cow. Okay, or 4-wheeler type of or 4-footed things are being used in case of Chatuspada karna. Okay, so Chatuspada karna is used for those things which are related to the 4-feet animals like cows, donating of a cow, okay, worshipping of a cow, or anything which is being used for purpose of pujan of cow worship or cow donating. Okay, donating a cow of a you may say the calf of a cow is being donated to any person, to any teacher or any guru or anybody. Okay, so in the time of donation, when we are donating a cow, 4-feet animal, that at that time, if karna, this Chatuspad karna is prevailing, I mean, I'll talk about these auspicious, inauspicious karnas, which are the auspicious karnas, which are inauspicious karnas in the end. So first, we have to just talk about that how these karnas are just counted in case of these tithis. Okay, out of these 30 tithis, first 15 tithis of Shukla Paksha or bright half, and last 15 tithis of from 16 to 30, they are of dark half. Okay, of this is Krishna Paksha, this is Shukla Paksha in Sanskrit or in Hindi. This is Shukla Paksha, this is Krishna Paksha. So for 15 tithis of Shukla Paksha or bright half, each tithi is having 2 karnas. Okay, first half of a tithi, second half of tithi, first half of tithi, second half of tithi, first half of tithi, second. So in this way, 30 tithis are for first 15 tithis of bright half. Similarly, 30 karnas or of dark half. 30 karnas will be there for dark half also. Okay, so two karnas for each tithi. For each tithi, first half of a this dark half, first part of a tithi. This is 16 tithi. So this is first half of a tithi, second half of the dark tithi. Okay, dark half of the tithi. This is Krishna Paksha tithis. This is how a tithi is having 2 karnas. First part of a tithi, second part of the tithi. So these are the karnas. How these karnas are distributed? Now, first we start from 11th karna, which is known as Kintugna. Okay, the last I'm just talking about. Okay, so 10th karna is known as Nag karna. Nag, sharp type, or snake. So this name Nag is a snake, a snake type of that karna is there. Okay, so this the name is Nag. Okay, and 11th is Kintugna. This Kintugna is very important. So from 11th karna, which is of fixed nature, is coming in the first half of a bright tithi, Shukla Pratipada tithi. First half of Shukla Pratipada tithi, or bright half, first tithi or bright half will have the first part of this will start from Kintugna. Kintugna means the 11th karna of a fixed nature is prevailing at the time of first Pratipada, or you may say Pratipada of Shukla Paksha, Pratipada of bright half will have the first karna, or first half of the tithi. First half of this tithi will have Kintugna karna. After that, we have to just repeat those 7 karnas of movable nature 8 times. How? The second half of this Shukla Paksha Pratipada, or first tithi of bright half will have the second half of this tithi, will have the second karna, which is counted from the first karna. First karna is name is of movable nature, Bhav karna. So Bhav karna will start from second half of the first Pratipada, or Pratipada of Shukla Paksha, Pratipada of bright half. First tithi of bright half will have its second half of this tithi, will have the first karna. First karna is Bhav. This second is Balab. Okay. These movable, now the 7 movable karnas are now repeated. They are coming from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are the 7 karnas starting from second half of the first Pratipada, or first tithi of bright half. Second part of the second half of the first tithi of bright half will have the first karna of movable nature. After that, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th. So 7th is ending in the second half of the fourth tithi. So fourth tithi of bright half, or fourth lunar day will have its second half as the 7th Vishti karna. 7th karna is Vishti karna, Vishti. 7th karna is Vishti. After that, again 1, 2, 3 up to 7. Again after 7, this 7th one, the second half of the fourth tithi is the 7th karna, right? After 7th, again repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this way, these 7 karnas are repeated 8 times. How it is coming 8 times? After 7, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After this 8th, so 8th tithi of bright half will have its first half of 8th tithi of bright half is ending in Vishti karna. Vishti karna is the 7th karna of movable nature. 7th karna of movable nature. Okay, 7th karna of movable nature. 7th karna of movable nature is ending at 8th tithi, first half of 8th tithi. So first half of the 8th tithi will end in 7th karna, which is Vishti karna. 7th karna is Vishti karna. This is Vishti karna, which is of movable nature. Okay, this movable nature karna will end in the 8th tithi. First half of 8th tithi is ending in the 7th karna, which is Vishti karna of movable nature. After that, again second half of 8th tithi will have first. This is first karna again. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, seventh karna is ending in the second half of the 11th tithi. The second half of the 11th tithi is again having Vishti. This is Vishti karna, seventh karna, which is Vishti. Okay, so in this way, these seven karnas are repeated. Okay, they are in cyclic order. They are movable nature. They are of movable nature. They are coming again and again, or we may say that they are moving again and again. So this may be because of that they are known as movable nature. They are of movable nature. Now, how they are movable nature, we will talk about that later at the time of election, when we are electing appropriate time, or election of Muhurta time. Muhurta means appropriate or auspicious time. When we select auspicious time, inauspicious time, at that moment, we have to just think about that which karna is prevailing at this moment. First tithi. Now, in that tithi, where moon is lying, moon is in which sign, which rasi moon is there. So, presence of moon in a particular rasi or in a particular sign, and which karna is prevailing, whether this is Vishti karna. Now, Vishti karna, which is seventh karna, is also known as Bhadra. This is known as Bhadra karna. This Bhadra karna is not auspicious one. This seventh Vishti karna, which is Vishti name. The name of seventh karna is Vishti. Now, this Vishti karna is also known as Bhadra karna. This Bhadra karna is mostly not considered auspicious. This is considered inauspicious at the time of election. When it is considered auspicious, when it is considered inauspicious, I'll take that later. But first let me again tell you that how they are. These karnas are repeated in 60 tithis. Okay, so first 7 karnas, which are of movable nature, 1 to 7, are repeated 8 times. How 8 times? First half of the first tithi of bright half. Bright pratipada may say, the pratipada means first tithi of bright half is starting from the Kintugna karna, which is the 11th karna. This 11th karna is of fixed nature. So Kintugna, 11th is Kintugna, 10th is Nag, 8th or 9th is Chatuspada, 8th is Shakuni, Chatuspada, Nag and Kintugna. These last 4 karnas are known as karnas of fixed nature. They are fixed karnas. And first 7, total 11 karnas are there in named. Okay, there are total 11 karnas. Now the 11 karnas, last 4 are not repeated in a lunar month. In a lunar month, these last 4 karnas, 11th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. 11th comes in the first pratipada. Okay, first half of the first pratipada or first tithi of bright half will start from the 11th karna. 11th karna, which is named as Kintugna. This Kintugna karna will prevail at first half of the first tithi of bright half. So Pratipada, Shukla Paksh Pratipada will start from Kintugna, the 11th karna. After that 11th karna, the first then start from the first. The first karna is Bhav karna, Bhav, Balab. Third is Kolab, third is Kolab, fourth is Taital, fifth is Gar, sixth is Vanish or Vanish, seventh is Vishti karna. These 7 karnas are repeated 8 times. How they are repeated 8 times? Because 7, 8 are 56. So those 56 karnas are repeated. Are the repeated one. One karna of movable nature is repeated 8 times. 8 times. 8, 8,